mwezi.
Biamono kigimana ndo murigiriria bwensoko no kwigena kwane buna nigo gendrete konyora omurubiri asenchira ya bene kigima kerondo chechitigarite chidaika inyechuka chichikoraga chinsa isano chabono mubaso unabotambe asensemo ya kabere yo murubiri bwetorobeni tokumerana no mogani gusena abageni ende twanyako batogusanga ali agendrete gokorekana nabo twara murekera na ono bocheni bwaito na aralia yega tobwenete gokora na ende na aralia yega tobwenerete kurinda ritkuria rero nigonde na abageni babirega iga ase studio omogeni oyo makuru kwa Mordekai Nyasani nabo igona Kibaso Sam abutogochikoba tokomurekera engane mwamu mental health and addiction chingaki goserit kuria rero kero togochikomurekera mono okonywa kwa mariogo nabo igo gambling mecheso iga ya kamari nabo igo ogotinda bari twatebirenga abantu mbaroro kunywa marugwetanie kerengo erinde yanyara koba ya gusariri obochenu bwa obobongo onye kubwate ngane ndo oragani tomurekere gose obwate experience korengana nengane iga ya mental health and addiction moneka tokomurekera alcohol and gambling enekinga nabo gotorikera message yao enyenge gochaga gase namba yetu studio yere 0788666663 ototebinga yokorwa na nkerekeke gago se experience kyobwate korengana nengane yasabano tokogenderera nabageni baito erinde banyako babagotomanyinga ibakorwa karibu sana.
Asante sana Linet.
Nabo chakanire tari yao ona ndotebi murigererire ndenga yokoru nongu singa yoboira
Inche samalieta nkoro ku Mordekai Job Nyasani. Tete kwanza korateba asante sana eso gutwarekania igaiga Sensoko TV. Erinde tukwanira mang'ana amwemu yobochenu bwobongo. Inche nkoru Nyamira ono ngiboire no ndereire ya ngosoma KU but na korre skuru boniga ngokore kosia mental health ama yani psychology sana mangana mental health.
Biamona asante sana Mordekai na karibu sana na area tari yao.
Asante sana muralia so to ali bageri nje ngoro kwa Kibaso Samson ngoro ase county ya Nyamira specifically ya Kerenyo Gari ward. Nje ndo mwanafunzi ase University ya Kenyatta University. Mangana ngosomera kuro kwa public policy and administration. Mwanafunzi wuchikokoro mwaka wa mweli ngokora tole school. Tunarambia tukwanira mangana ya vecting the society. Tumanye ngi kebwente gokoru because abona nje ngokora mangana policy samangana ya machiko. Turigereria ande mono inkieke kiabekiru gegerete tukwira na magega other than that the past generation because abogi mabwa change.
Biamono sana biamono kigima omurigiri kwigure abaigana abanafunzi oyo mukurire oyo ndenere nigare ase omwaka oyo bomwerio ngochakire Mordekai yakere togochaka ase engane yiga gose topic yerit koria rero togochikoba togokwanera ekere togokwanera mental health oboroire bobongo nabo iga addiction totebe okonywa kwa maru chisigara gusamario oyo gotinda ninkige gocha sobongo bwabo
Rito kwanera mangana mental health guseseke gusiyo bochono bobongo. Egento gego cheso motuone getanga nene amangana ya amaroire. Okorigereria amatukari akare amaroire agaitira abantu. Nendo ligereria amaroire agwita abantu boniga sana. For example, amaroire agwita abantu boniga no amaroire buna diabetes, amaroire buna tubwate HIV and AIDS, amaroire buna obesity, amaroire buna amaroire buna diabetes, osukari, so amaroire aya okoyarigereri byana amaroire are cost na mangana etabia abantu amangana emienendo ya abantu anda abintu byobongo. So That's why natebete tiga tuligireri amang'ana mental health because ebintu bigo affect society tore boniga nebintu birabe cabre nebintu torazuie but because tabia abantu and the behaviors of people amaroira yabeire gakwe increase nende gagwita abantu mono nende riringo chikorigeria amang'ana addiction gose alcoholism egento gegocha sobongo ne stress will affect abantu kuchakira abana paka abantu abanene so that you find that abantu bago kukorigeria kusia abantu bagoswasa amang'ana maru na other drugs na bange mono so that is why it is very important una a society tuchage kukwanira amang'ana aya and to ya make popular abe famous erinda abantu bamenye buya
bia mono Sam ekara tukurigereria ng'ane ya mental health and addiction anaki uranyare ko bagote byumurigereria bwenso ko bono mambia ngaki chire related echinga ne chibere
mang'ana mental health na addiction ne issue endelete kunya ko chase society kira bitu kuna togo nya kuboka singencha banta bange balikereti physical health balikorigera nsema ya mental health and mental health echo changi uchinse mo chinyinga na be correct ne group na be correct with personal decisions na be correct with the location rokartia so monta menyete so amang'ana ya kerto ko yarigereria so buamo ne gento kerege konsana asingenjo institution cheito ntirabeka binte bibetene ntinande bishugulikeru enjere wenelete ninde ku avoid but you cannot avoid mang'ana ya addiction as a group you can avoid as a person ono kero tokurigerera na mang'ana y'obutindi we binywewa abantu bali bakoni abinywewe ebi tibachandegeti abange babo bali babwate emikawe ya menene babwate ebintu ebibi chinseme chukwegoki lakini abantu bali bakunywa bandi bako batume kukoros chibesa na abange bachandegeti kero tukurigerera bono tukucha as a government ndo iko government ikonyara ku blame binde because this is a evil tukuyo kubuna sin tax chibesa chiri chigo cha teta ke pressure erindo montanya rekuru a tax so koni amaru because na ma then agi akoru sasiekero because ya anda bange bari interested ono kwa makonyora ebinte bikero bikobe kwamo biacha ebikore to busari obunge kububya lakini asengenjo biko deal na cartels ya chiro ko be problem wenene because you can never find omuntu obwe bange te bya chogete bya kakubuka kemambi go send month na yokumenyora konywa aras chinsemo chokwegoke usikara addicted bakora ibintu biri according to task schedule of the day or of the week or of the month but kero to chantu bono abantu aba bakonyora kwa bukurense those are the people who are targeted by these people and as abantu abakogendera kibiashara they must have these addicts singinjo baro bamanya kwegendera bono kwanyora amang'ana ya addiction na konsana kuyarusi asaba anta bakuru common mwananchi na individuals ababake babuate banyora konyora eni bana babebe kita ina fere ina ase ense mogete ase barabukonya gari ku kiuchumi gose kimaisha gose kiafya teriko bagasinko
mbia mano ngotikara ka buna enda sore Sam sengenjo gwateba yega you are a police analyst bari mura mokorige no na machiko gose mokoringoria machiko aro moro kigwa bakora tuteba na ya sokorra kwao na kijana unogenda tukina na ndoche no musaora ninki kware konyari bagase serikali ninki serikali bonta gukora kweneke senjo watebrenga abanta baga bakonye binyebwe biga usino na bakonye mariogo yugotendi okonya most of the time mbali gutumia mariogo yaiga abakoneria ababande bokonyora bwensi gusobutaka banya kwebita nonechi mariogo iguse chinsulin nuna bakonyaroka anya kubasaria ninki ora akorere nde kweneke nga equality go sobwene ngotoka burega buteba ayeturi konyugendekega lakini okoneria abantu nando umaitekero kinda maitenga nekebekere lakini nkoneria ari bari bande bachikubanya banyarka baguchandika
mbeamono na nchendo ndakwana as a policy analyst and an administrator we are more of goal oriented we are more of result tutaketa matokeo kero konyora umuntu abwate chibesa at the end of the day arosiri. There is this umusongo atubekire na you relax after struggling. You can spend 12 hours looking for 500 shillings and spend 5 minutes to squander that 500. Serikali yaito ne bwate obumigereri asegete ngocha narigereri bono mnancho mwanafunzi. Ngise konyora libaga ntunense ntutageti maru tumanya kogenderera. Ntunense ntageti mayo yo gutindi tumanya kogenderera. Chinse njiroro bantu batai kushughulika mwana na mangano yo kwegoki. Batia sengenjo tuabeire ntumaidone tuabete corners no musongo. Most ile tokobwati chinjira chiyo musongo akogenda. Ngorigere litore bagote the way tax ekoba corrected. The most easy tax to be corrected is from the gambling institutions and nebirapo byoko ni maliogo yokwegoki. Because a government should not struggle to enforce a rule elino monto amanyare ko bagagwakana. If you look at the 20% policy ya begetu in gambling, ya begetu ni elinde enyare ko K. As a country, abantu abange no nyambalira roiga bale bungeli itoto wote abago to present. Most of them, they didn't gamble or they didn't drink to become people they are. But because of the situation of politics and the situation of geopolitics, to bwate sense yaito abantu abambai konyara koba as yogotenena na their morals. Like oiza korigereria oiza go take the annual record abantu bagendeleire turu ko tumike maliogo yogotindi ose turu ko gambo to konyora. But oiza korigereria abantu bagure turu ko tumika maliogo yogotindi ose abantu bagure turu ko gambo na abange mono. We have street families. To ena nyagetari te record yeroro y'abantu bakurwari bagutumika maliogo yogotindi abantu babwate mental stress bakorere gambling ebara abange. So the government can fail to blame abantu because the government corrects tax. Nginyore karo 2013 sport pesa ya chite M-Pesa naliye verde M-Pesa ya 2007 but kare M-Pesa ya cha 2013 wakaleta away maite kara ante baga book tickets to where you want to buy a lottery you play roto nyoko inyore nyoko akabeire nini kwa karigere lichikazeti but one yaikeire even our Charles as a institution to bwate private nini okonyora radio station umuntu currency tawde yomuntu tuma 20 shillings for you to win. Morally it's not right but
biamono kreto kurwa tokendrete konyora ayuagendrete gusekera basaiba kunya gukwanera kubatikana no bochenu bobongo nabo igo bari babeire babeire abakwa gose banyorugwa kukubwatekana no gukora gambling gose kamari kunekorokwa tukirana as ore Mordecai naenda kobori gusora twereraga as a psychologist. Anali ukurige ayabono kurigereria abantu bari babwate mechando yobongo. Totebe bono ekarengane yiga erase gose mukwanyorera abantu umuntu nabako genda okora no gambling ya mwa depression baka no mentally ya affected. Bose mkimogo chimwaru na anene gochi sabasa esenge njabasa the victims mono okonyoraga nyangambling basai bange sai hakuna kitu wanafanya. Esi mionera bwate nero maite timu ke gochi sana timu ki nero maite ngayiga gambling website ki ekogambo na cheap coins. Bose mkimogo chimwaru gochi sabasa.
Asante sana ese liswali elio. Egentege tanga ni toya to abatebi toya to akorege ntoke koroku psycho education to koraba fundisa kwanza bara amanya the science of addiction like inki keko kora pako muntu over addicted pako sinyukoru ese ngoro ya addiction yose agokora gambling addiction. So egentege tanga ni to koraba somi ba manya how addiction works. For example egentege tanga to koba ba kwanza bara imanya ba self aware ba abasaya abanga babwatege ntoke kuruku identity crisis abanga mbaye maeti. So the first thing ritu abase miri bamanya yani omobere egentonka roge kuruku dopamine eso mobere ese ke songo toke nyoroka a feel good hormone like after anyura marugo sa korre gambling the dopamine is released and omobere over excited oigubuya so dopamine enere gokera the second time lazima airore kora gambling konywa marugo se gokora gambling so that dopamine yebe nende release again aiguna ende buya asi mwili ke isisimuke so the first thing akisha jua hii kitu because dilikuwa nyure tebe amarugo se kwa korre gambling with a small amount of money the next time again tongero ke tolerance omobere tolerance ko increase the next time you will use watch agetene glass kama the second time utenda glass mbili onye gambling watu megete step say 50 shillings the next time you'll be encouraged to usenge joko tebu weka chipesa chinyinge elindo nyore big results so tolerance goes egwenda ke ko increase so riri to abatebiriga igo to abasemiri bamanyire the science behind it bono bako ba self aware bamanya and to abafundisha the coping mechanism sese ngenjo esobo gimobo ntobwate challenges ninde ntobwate stress nerego ego chayagara na challenges in life na chichiko chayagara abantu baswesa maru baswesa gambling but really to abafundisire that they are coping mechanism positive coping mechanism chinchira bara zuiye chitabibu necho for example ryobwate stress tarasmo unywa maru aboko soka sikagabu oragere buya oake zoezi omobere obe buya so that you release those stress. So that's the first thing we tell them. And other things talk about no say generation the young people to what they say they lack mentorship abantu bakoba oroki ebintu binabigo koruga senga nchoko nyoro muntu kolre skuru unatolega tigasi nchio lakini mbali konyora bayiboli for example baba tebi na kebinte binabiko genda igana iga bamanya senga njomo kusina tebete like nga monto monene kembu chendioko ono liria banta abanene mbayo bagototebi na ki inseye niga formula net short stars monto etere shortcut na enda mangana online media ntobwate squeeze online omete rikale online yale ngo emechando abantu tuabwate rikale nemechandere boni gatali buneli so ntobwate online squeeze online mentors abantu bako changanya youths bako ba kora baso ese ebinte binge bya maru gambling erinde ba abugmabuwa lifestyle yabo ebebuna abantu abale online yeah
biamono gabo ndari burinde ndara kuburi gabo na kiyo kagirete nga addiction yega ko monto totebe obera addicted no nyana maru na ki ego cha ya sario bongo na bego chi behavior cha
asante sana seli swali hilo addiction sana every addiction for sana addiction ya maru na addiction ya marioga ayuande agocha tuara so many effects yo bongo yo mobere ya kirase so for example so bongo okonyora igentongero oburwere mboro tokoro ka dementia is loss of memory na poteza fahamu okonyora ebintu kwa maete gwachakire kubieba nende pia ntobwate retarded brain okonyora nyomongi na kakunywa maruka bwate karumorito omwana oyo gocha kubiaru atakuwa na some complications anaende pia nabeo koromonto onyo koro mwanafunzi eskuru na bebintu bigochaka kugochanganya ke isengencha maru ngochara affect your bongo the wiring the chemistry of the brain eso mobere pia amauga ngochara okonyora omonto no mokare 27 years kose 20 years but okumuligererio koro omonto anga omonto le 50 years 60 years so ngokorera omonto orekano ogotina pia ngochere azwe iyo ntongero toja twareka impaired judgment iyo monto akonywa maru I remember buna igoro asenali ngese menyete omonto nare alikuwa amekunywa pombe and it causes so many accidents ngokoligereria se record ya Kenya the accidents most of the accidents caused na abantu bagotumeka marioga so impaired judgment chief family ngobune kachire sengenje abantu ababwata maru abana batwara trauma sengenjo you are raised if abana bali bakinere safe chief family echi chibwata abayiboli bagotumeka maru abana abagocha their future gocha abembe sana sengenjo bako ba traumatized no bokimo kubwa maru so amaruna abwate so many effects as a society.
Asante mbia mono samukwira na sore kisenge ncho twarorere nga abantu bako ba addicted mono na basaye nabo igo nabo konyora bako nongambure ngikara bachiasire bakonyara ko babago tugutachibesa bande kwarore bitambukire bibeire abantu banyara ko babande bakwerusyo bogima bwabo singe ncho yara police analyst serikali yanyara ko bage goteba nga yachakire meroberi au project inchirororo eyemo yabo nyota program eri kunyara ko bawo support enyara ko bage go support abasaye mbaba idol abasaye mbakora gambling eri ndibaye chake beseri bakwegwe nke banyara ko baguchaka ebiashara na kwegenderera ubugima bwabo oro chi program chi serikali yagenderete ko launch na bego guchake are they enough for individuals
mbia mono entonda tebe according to the government ngote America beka abasaye BC but a program we teraba successful. A program becomes successful after a certain period. That's when you can recommend. So this process here, again, rather than implementation, is trying to look at asenchira yogo solve muchando yo. Enjere mo yogo solve muchando sinyi motara chako kushughulikira muchando ne bwenzi okora manyo muchando ninki itokoroka problem identification. Wamanya gocha wacha kulikite possible solution. Ono wanyore serikali karate possible solution and which is required is to give every youth 50,000. As we stand in economically, there is nothing somebody who is 20 years old can start with 50,000 and be successful. We have a good example from the universities. Abantu ngonyora help up to 40,000 per year, 60,000. Kerba ukorangi bago tebo nto yoda na bese chilinchi akonyo there is 0.5% out of 100. A program well according to the government should be revised. Is a good sign of now to solve umuchando yo tubwate, but it's not the best solution as our side. Namba ya kabere ntubwate ntokoroka education policy. Kertua endrete kunya kutiga mangana alia 844 togocha CPC. Bible bange mama it about Kamburi osembare mbari informed, but everybody trusts in education system. Everybody that go to high school. It's good the system to be revised. Even the school abana basomi, and because CPC is more of practical, is trying to balance between the mangana yo masoma yokori kana practical yote mago balance. Babe Kevin te bibio bibororo ebitabu bitwaga kolire set book. The authors they should rely then on this 20th generation. Babe the study cases babe be very real life. Abana bakiba kunya gukina they can know bona buna kere government yare kwale go campaign against ukimwi. We used to abantu babendo bayo karama shairi basome bitabu venye ukimwi ni mbaya nini. At least a generation ya nyori 2005 which in 1995 they know about HIV and AIDS.
Sure.
So the government was able to cope with that. But it takes time and resources. So the government should able to kuligi as change ranchiro or chingi ya mono. Other than give what some muntu for 3 weeks or more capital, then you expect that capital run for the rest of his life have successful. The probability is very low. But bono ndo bwana takuligera na ki ngitura akole. As much as government kunyara kwa kero mundo chibesa chirinji wenda gukora kwa abantu mbaro badisave chibesa chiri. Even the way chikwena ne wenda takoba revised. What have you done for you to be boosted? Do not boost anybody who is an hydra. You are giving an hydra chibesa. Na to government. This person yokwa chibesa no ni tabia ena kie. Abantu bande mbatageti ko bono muna se as an administrator in astokuru tubwate binyoro. Right now siasa ngo chikochere. If you walk to any village or take data tenda tabasa 200 tiba kubura. But you ile program yoko somyota na chine program ugaiga ngo sominda basa for free on now chinchera choko menye tipatika nebi myogo byo wetindi. You will struggle to look for these people. The situation to us a country teri rais bantu mbari ready as much as we are willing walibake abantu bamanyire the ground also should cooperate kumanya gusoma ebindi. So that's why I would advise, if I'm given an opportunity, again take a system. Even if it will take time, it will save more other than going to shortcut. I do call it a shortcut because it's not a proper way of helping the youths.
Biamono sana, biamono. Etkero tukwira na asore modeka iga. What are the signs or say warnings? Ichikoro kinga kerkendo monto yigana tagete proper attention. Ono monto yabera addiction ya mwiri lakini tamanyete. Insa inskio none amate ko akorra ga wose familia ya igno lakini kero chisuko take into consideration na bwanta kwenye health.
So asante sana Lineta eseriswari elio so chi signs inchiro mete chi signs inchiro monta korora omanya komanya this person is addicted because boni ga abantu bakonywa maru na abange sana. I'll say sana in our generation not Gen Z, it's like normal konyora abantu bakonywa maru. So according to the DSM-5 ndo wate formula kuruku DSM-5 ero series specifically kumanya omuntu yosoire into addiction. Egentege tangani togoya twarigereri if this person oberega konywa maru for more than 6 months. Alafu egento gya kabere we have 4 formulas. Egentege tangani omuntu akoliya maru for say akoliya maru for sensation. Elia kabere okonyora bono ako ochakire konywa maru just to top up the sensation. Nese ngencho konyora anyaga alika konywa maru eglass yake mote ba just drink occasionally. Ochakire bono konywa maru maybe for not now occasionally bono tebe no mama tukata te wiki. Alafu the next thing ni ochakire konywa maru enda maru achakire ku affect egasyo nyaga egasi yale konya kora bya kunyora maru lakini egasi ngo korale bya bono kwaja kwanyora bono his work now is affected by the gambling that is doing. Now there you can know that umuntu bono he needs attention because abantu mbaro bagocha bakole ebintu ebi but their work is normal. So if family gocha korro umuntu yonyo umuntu kalengo amchangamufu like a jovial person, active endo chakre ko withdraw korwe family mono gambling ogoja kwanya oro muntu chakre ko manipulative onye chibesa ne chiae chakre ko manipulative because I remember there's a day I was dealing with a client and again take tanga na igwete korwe family bale go tebo chakre ko manipulative ako batebi nyomuli konga chibesa go ngendande nyomuli konga chibesa oisiekere rumuli tukoligima tatetu kuona na abantu elinda yakuchibese chia kolere gambling so manipulative. Yeah nendege ntokende naboko sana amaru nabokorora afya like health yomuntu egochaka tuko date go deteriorate omuntu chakre korea esinge abantu abange bara addicted bagocha kwebwatoka nyoro omuntu agesibiri buya o dress buya chakre kwebwatoka koba matagataga. That's addiction. Kunyora abantu mbaro bago agorwe club yakemo gochie kende ebaye mo gochie yende no na matukata to no ne weekend ma ko ntali gwesibi. So those are some of the signs abayiboli babwente korora so muntu bamanyo muntu na bwato muchando wa deal nero nende ebintu binde bikuja byakora abantu baso addiction nechi family issues konyora abayiboli bago avoid desengenyo nanate ba mapema like emechando ya abayiboli babwate kale tali mechando abana babwate boniga. It's a different thing. So parents should take a keen considerations on their children. Baligereli bakwane na barabu babakolere mentorship baikange na barabu babakwanere elinde bagundwe manga abana babwate mechande because abana baswizi komanya they have a problem is very hard.
Biamono ekaro to kurarigereria abantu mbaroro konyora nga mosi torate abari bakonyonye namaru ondo kera kuboke kemambi nabo konyora none family ko ibusigari bagote gatara ruslok ta kulima oyo gatara ruslok ta go kende ngeyara kore yani abutokanete kuna mtu yani ni kama mgonjwa lakini akienda akenona kachanga kukae ona gocha changa mugete bono what advice ora abantu buna is that addiction, and kama na addiction inkiabonete gukora?
So nende gento na bako gote with that egento kikia lock gose toge koroka hangovers. That is one of the signs of addictions. Okonyoranga kwa kanyura marubi ya lakini siku hizi kegweka kemambi okwe gutigangwete okwe kizunguzungu okwe gweto wake then okwe to gukora kende. That's ibone korokwe loka and ibono muntu yoso ire into deep addiction. And bono muntu buno yu egente getanga into to twakora muntu buno yo komo ire rehabilitation okorero egento ke koroku detoxification erinda amaru ya rusi gwese system esenge ncho amaru egento gocha yakora yego so into a new system bono yikoroku the new normal kwa renge normal iga insanity lakini ilikuwa bera no into addiction toko you cannot operate without amarua esenge nchombara opaka ba muntu paka koruara akobwatu nengento ke koruku epilepsy eseke gusito goroka kifafa endrume ataranyu maru eseke seriri achakire gutiga maru abe wiki ya mege endrume komoli so akokorure gento getanike koruku detoxification amaliogo naro togocha twaba ago tali maru lakini akongaino bongo ngayu na maru. So tuaba beke se program for at around a week pako monto over stable. Then from there tuacha komokora psycho education na other forms of therapy.
Mbiano. Mbiano sama krato kwa ndo mutimoko na kichi skuru na boigo chi community. Ebonrete kokora gosikuru bosemi guchia sabantinde kwene kingana ki muchando yiga bubutindu na boiga addiction tiri guchikwene kibwana boigo bororo babongo.
Tubwate serikali yobende go face the administrative part wagambi yaba DC yaba DO abantu abamba bwende ko incorporate ne institution yitwa school ne community for them to convince endongo chanale hori turasieka Kenya gaiga for 1 month no gambling no adukate ko ni maruno na yamo. What do you think and bara korre chipesi chugutindi?
And again, maruna bata tax. Ngaye ebangeraro.
A tax ya maru chinchira ne chinyinga chokorosie tax. The government ya yanjete tax because it's easy. Ekuru kusin tax. Yani ne tax yeli you don't need to ikunyora muntu ne muburutenga buno muntu okole byasara byechinyanya ogusumbuana no muchogi aruwebesa because that's food. It's required na ndineta kire country ma Quran. Chibesi ebinde chibesi chons pichiko gorwa maru na pichiko gorwa bintu binde ngawe tax ye kuirolela onye gwatiga kugura maru kwenda kwagura obosi the same tax will generate increase konyora ivo onyora family chinyinga bandore bwati chibesa they spend more on rika other than even school fees chi abana babo and money circulates is only the way it is being spent. Moshara tego tika kwa sawana marutari koni, meaning the same money will be there. Endo kego change, enjira chipesa chira tumeku. Ngoja ne boli turatu aru mutinyo yomo. Because if you work on Friday, you go nyorande ba paget chikari. Ba ko rek ba ko nywa, bande ba ko rek. Those same people. Now ba drive park ba ko si accident, ba nenya getari ba gura malio. No, the government will be spending less nyagetari. Will be spending less as in the yeme basekana yeme kemeke kabagaiga will be spending less as in abantu bale meru gosomia bana because you can find somebody as a school tatu mwabali kire lakini taikunyara komokonya odaina nonkonya siringi 20 ngore chinyeni because tatu very kunya because ya addiction one of those go tige binte even if we test I think money will be used appropriately because ona abantu abali kira sevia chinyombe chokwegoke. There is no person onyago sokata enanje na korire crap for 20 years na so media wana once ojo ukuri muntu you are addicted because of the surrounding ukuri maybe ukuri abonyo abandi babati na family so it's miserable. We don't need those things as a country to survive and we don't need those things as a country to generate our income tax and we don't need these things ntotagete bintebyo kugenderera usintotagete bintebyo obogima bomanya ko ba comfortable. There are some countries in Arab pateka korama imte byogotindi and they are doing well.
Miyabona sana. Biamono murigereria igore me yo moroberi gweto robene kira togendete gukwanira ritkoria rero ni gotogendete gukwana amarwa nabo igo obochenu bwobongo addiction nabo igo health issues, mental health issues kerbanongo chiko kwari bagatukwirana tukuragenda umutima gutukwirana onye kubwate iboririnde nabo igo onye kubwate keri uranyara onye nabo gotuteno numugano kero kindi naroro turigiretie imambi abono orenge addict ya maru lakini agacha agatiga nabo wakisi migwetera se namba itu studio eyure 07 88666663 nabo kurobo semi kero kendo murige naro rigirete mambia bono asinyirenga nene ngia bagukwana nakinda korenti lakini mate aise koigwa kurwa aso oyo kanyura marugo so bwato mochandonga buno ino yo gambling anyara ko baga kwerera ngana ki bitambo kero kibiga kwanyate kukaimokia erindo kanya kwarure kurwa ase chingori ekigose kwanyo kwarura sobo sombobo kumete kero motindo nabo igo obwate omochando bobongo nabenga nga oro mosomba asensemiyo ayu amona yanda mange na sege keke kerebo sene kingo nogende tukutubwatia ase mitandao yonsi yekerero nigo gotonyora buna Ensoko TV.
Eye Ensoko TV uboroso bumugusi ine nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri urigene chinga kichonsi ebenga kiriberera gusenga kiyobokendo tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited noturegigiga asengichao nigo tokorosia na koni chipetiri uratumia singa kichonsi chipetiri uratumie asegari enke ebasi nonyeni korokoro.
Tunapopitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na
kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka battery
Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof, kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss, kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kujamstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Obutindi no bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
Asama rieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna amaryogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwende university ongere gotumia maruna maryogo yogotindi amosariri wana yakireke wango guikarwari kwanya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa otigire onge yakonywa maryogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gocha sobugima ubye.
Asamange twakirisimi se namba 0706840844. Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buri gukora chingatare icyobutindo.
Shauri sangwe ngara rombo ijana umotu batema Murigeri bwa Soko TV uyu no muroberio gwokongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au turabe tukumira na kira ritu kurie iki guchakira chinsa 11 cha mogoroba wikenseyemo ya butuko kugwakorire mirimo yawo yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitero ya ubuyanda chitasekeruko orambulete mirundo kunyagusibero ngori na hali ya screen ni chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano tokonyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiendegetere ndo gesongengo twamereria
Bakalia omoto yakabwatwa Bakalia omoto yakabwatwa Amatukemero ngena gaika kabwatwa
Obulimire bw'essiro y'obunda bwense kulenge tali nchira ndio sira krobulimi obiyoke enyoreri libaga lya bene kwaegwa megerio chisemi nobosemia igoro y'obulimi bwekerero n'ekikolinga
asobolimi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ng'ombe buneyengiya
barekonyana eyinsimegete nterangetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamara konya kuyonenganya we kwa mabuya
beka chibuti imokio bokombe tosemogondo bweli nebisumwime na Bethwel mache
Sukuriya Jumaine chinsa nibere cha muragoba wika chinsa isato asomorobero oberemi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kurasa beremi chini gongoro kwa Bethwel machin
asomorobero boberemi nobotugi ime yen Soko TV oboroso bwomoguse Eye nen Soko TV oboroso bwomoguse
Biamono na endo murigere bwa Soko ngukwarigania togendere na ensemo yo muroberi bwetorobini akerotore ensemo ya kabere kigima tore chidaika chiri cha lala salama kerotogo chigukorera enkwana yeri koria rero kerotogo murekera obochenu bwobongo na boigo addiction keroto endo mutimoko konye twanyere ko batogo kwanera aya taria make onye tikware ngaso muroberi murigereria naboko genda ensemo ya YouTube link igani geroro na boigo Facebook ndo nyare ko bagukubwatia engane yiga karabasaya bange yarurekandenga na bago chibanyora ugwakwa kubwatekana no gochesa gose emecheso ya kamari totaragendera na botoko gendera omungwana naro kurukwa Ishmael Mogere ante bimbabolinga omocheso yo noro kuruku forex na vieta ngambolingi gose no kwerigeria torachaka na Modeka
Asante sana ese swali hiyo. Igentete tokomotebi squeeze mbaro bakoroka avieta ngokwerigeria. Nende mbaro bakoroka forex get rich quick scheme singa ntonto gwata abantu bakoroka online mentors. Nende sana abagusina bo abangeze bindebyo. Bako teba nga the only way to get rich ngana mangana forex. But in checking korigere forex kotebeke maene this is just a modern way of gambling lakini legalized kongaina abantu. And abantu bagocha baba addicted esegente kyosengenjo avieta is simplified esengenjo monto na bago bet na 10 bob no entisiri as low as 10 bob ono monto akora tali pesa nyinge chioko beka akabo but tuna natebe litangane that as time goes by okonyoro monto obere addicted na woni gora chaka otebe tinda ba addicted but after 1 week 2 weeks to 1 month okonyora kwa bere addicted esengenjo lyoko chaka na siringi komiecho wacha siringi 20 kwa tebe kuna kiko okobeka chi nyinge na lyokonyora chi nyinge kwa gendera and the more you bet whatever the science of addiction ndo bwateke ntoke koro ku dopamine the feel good hormones eso mobere ekino chiko garo monto likuwa bekiraga nini kwaba excited the next time kwanyora kwa bekire 50 the next time kwanyora kwa bekire 100 the next time kwanyora kwa bekire libu kwa chakira koni ebintu korunyomba koni lichisiguli koni liye ufa kwa chakira no yakone paka amegondo paka abande mbara ngocha natebu ba ire paka chiloni just to do ebintu ebi. Another thing forex forex siku hizi ntobwata abantu gitabange mono bakongaina abantu bakobalua ese bintu bya forex okonyora omonto online. For example, tiganta jelieta for example umuntu nathogoroka akoruka Kenyan Prince. Okonyora online abwate chigari the lifestyle is showing out abwate chigari abwate tebe abaisika abwate nabaya ebintu tu ebinge chibesa abwate in cash akorokia abantu. But elinda abantu aba bamoligi ababundise mangana forex. Inchego ntongo chane boli neki. Enyo umuntu kabwate chibesa chinyinge iko. Ingiago chikosabera abantu chibesa ababundise onya kabwate chibesa icho. Nindege ntekende. Kenya abantu tole population tole Kenya abantu 54 million. Onya gento kiare nkieke mene. Naki abantu abakena kibake maete abantu abande bonsi pi mbake maete. So just in short nje na attempt okora mangana you forex but egento kero it's still addiction. Na temirake.
Na kikwero sete ongwanya tekende.
Tinyore tekende.
Mbia bono ese kenjo doche samu na ingana nere forex na avieta. Ebe senko ligia go sengambo ngingokora.
Maito musonga ate abe sabali yamagoro 1000 ochaka no kuborokomo. Once you subscribe to that idea na nkonyoro richbes. Okweba buna input. Your input might nabera abenke. But when combined, terinke, so 10 bob na vera bensenke sana, economically for Kenya and for a normal Kenya, a middle class Kenyan. But countrywide, 30% because we are millions of people. Avieta is a modern day, broad day robbery of Koru, and I don't know like serikali yako teka yanjera. Because wana betting kama nisiji ajitika so motu gachika so motu na te waro teams to teams to break wana ba amanyire ko fix in banyorda na kitambe timu je uchiese rigiere weekend ma mbai kunya korose besa Avieta is there 24/7 whether rigiere teraya na forex it's reverse psychology game whereby okonyora njini manyi na ngoto yandom forex ngokora but my brother has no idea. And it's something giving good drive. It's feasible. Abantu bali bakoroka ba forex bakora. We have them in universities. They pretend they just need an audience. Once I have an audience, into an audience here even here 60,000 people, I will attract investors. Bacha banda tere link. Ngoto yabantu gabu ingia hapo click hapo bio kwa ingia kwa bio click hiyo link upate pesa yako. Really, in real life, pesa chirinchiro chama pesa is a type yokuibera abantu willingly, willingly, and you don't complain. And no matter what is mundara tena ki akina be kafieta yalire chiri busato na bugate they cannot say. O ndara akole nako gendaro ye gento kere nyumba mwaya oni ari kave and apikie soft loan. One of them biasa abantu na kwa family chia ba affect kwenye umuntu so into the type of depression abwata madeni natanya ngote ina muka ena ki na kinaso tamadeni ya yenyu because it can also lead to another nini yo break no nenyomo bona abantu nabo bamenye to bwo bakonsana but these things onye ndiye serikali yego tegerero na ndiye kuanja kutoyu mimi ndiye bitanya ari kora chakira we lose more than the government we correct. Anda kengwa rojo mwana siasa yo moneno sport person.
I was to ask that thing enjo. Abantu mbaruma ete ba winire. As we are talking right now, nabo yengo kikeritore nini kamari gatogote abo yemecheso ya kamari. Lakini genuinely abantu mbaro ba winete sport pesa. Abantu mbaro babegete ba win chike betting company chinyinge. Umuntu buno ibano nkiora motebisa ayese ngenjo watu kiongea yeye aliwin ekero kende gambling ya muchencherete bogo
onda tebe kurugesa gambling ya gachite ningote yone mu risk using the assistance of the internet to week 100 bandamba week 100 but to iso name the number of people ba rusiri properties and ba struggle ko rigebinto the risk is countless. So, you know, that one person winning is also another way of convincing people that giving people hope. Everything is all about hope that inawezekana. But really, you can also die kama uja win. You can also end up killing yourself kama uja win. So that let not that one specimen make you a prisoner of that life ya gambling. You see, it's good. People lack, even in states, people don't go win very chirotari. But imbarenga kerokurigire imbarenga ya affected. Chi property renganto ba tukutire. So we don't really need this. Let people go to the right channel. As much as I'm doing this, I'm getting this, I'm investing this. Terigosira. It's a win-win situation that I will take time, lakini ngoja kuike around. Kuweke ntukilio tena ki patapotea. Patapotea ni mchezo mbaya kwa government yetu na ande asituikire. As much as ntubwata abantu batabarikiri. Abange sana ubunda kuna nubwate laptop. It's like tari raisura nyo mwanafunzi we miaka ya ito gose abantu we miaka ito bata laptop, smartphone yengi. Those things they are just try is a mentality. It's good to own computers, but most of them think that having a computer you can easily access to those ways of making money. But as Semna Sengosamu, we have a population of 60,000 in Kenyatta University. People depend on parents. We have scholars there. We have people who have bright minds. Yakoba forex never yakoba ngonguna. We could sit down ntorara we know ngikere. But the reality is that is a no baby.
Biamano. Karakende what unini ngetambo kiko se long term solution era konye erinda basaya bange mbanya ko ba addicted.
One of the long term solutions nigente kinate abage kuruku to solve gento ke kuruku identity crisis sana sana se vijana. Isengo nchoko ko ligirelie bintu biko cause most of addiction. We have peer pressure, we have stress, we have depression, we have and lack of mentorships and hopelessness. Mono kokoligeri in Kenya right now we have a lot of hopelessness around. Economy avere nkongu abantu ba in short abantu ngo chande kabari. So vijana ba komanya like they again tongoro ngocha na kwanera and I believe in mangana purpose in life. Vijana bikwemanya like what is my purpose in life. For example konyora no ebo nikachiko stock abantu abange bagokora bintu bitali bataete nechikos abo iboli batakete bakore tali bintu barabanye bataete bataete babikore ono konyora abamura achi youth cha kore school babera na employed gas inchio ebintu bagokora mbali kogoka gokora ebintu ebyo so konyora bagoso into a lot of depression, into a lot of stress. They lead into negative coping mechanisms and negative behaviors like gambling, social media addiction, mangana drug addictions. Erinda ba escape the reality. To escape the reality, erinda they listen ba nyakorengeri ebintu ebingeso ubogimobo. So you can take tangani no ko encourage vijana ba baimanya barabwa banyene from a young age. Bali in addiction, baende therapy. Bali buya at the moment bakoregen to ko self introspection. Bamanye what is my purpose in life inkinda kolekia. The country we are in right now is looking for skills. It's not looking for the things in paper go say the education. They are looking for skills. Ngento kikeliora akole like what is that thing that you can do without a paycheck. So that thing is what you can find joy in. Ryomonto manyirege ntobunekyo nende to solve amangane rich family abantu bakorumeto we come from different families. Nende bintu mbiro bireze chi family bikogera abantu baso into addiction. So to solve bintu bune plus serikali my brother said dia mangana chi policies in the country. I think we will be in a better position as the youths of this country.
Biamono karando chetu bwati chideka ngisano ribori ngukubori samugabo twensingu sitokuru.
Yes.
Konyorore nga abasaya bange karabakuru bakurre tote form 4 bagukora nande bange bakuru humble families bagoche university una morororo bacha banyuno basareka kwanyore nkwana nere konyora gusiari bagote banga arogire kwanyora chita akanyora peer pressure kaelbu akwa bande mbaro bago squander kazi yake ni kulewalewa advice kiora arua sechi family bunecho.
endo ndatebe by the way twagendereire bunense and a new generation. I don't trust and believe in oboroki.
Lakini turi kuimba ta ngaro kwa singe njaro mo ngaini.
Ando. Ande mundo na bagweroga.
Gono mundo eroga.
Endo ndatebe because most of us we believe in science facts. Oboroki mboli scientifically proven. So that's a myth. And we are responsible. From the bange ba so mire kuwa igori baba se baigete. You know the effects of alcohol. You know the effect of gambling. You know if you spend your 200 shillings on alcohol, ngochi ko aro lencha. You know if you spend your rent and luxury things, ngochi ko menyo risk. Na ninya sawa ko iro bongo. O we konya nya sawa konya akubwatisi. Abasaba bange buna bawuchi gukora kiskuru egento bakora kiskuru abandi bakora form 4 endo nabateye ebeke kende gyonsikeriyo gokora kebeke ke ba wrong side technology onye no bulimi gokora kora agribusiness kora bulimi buli burago konya te gokora farming eli yakareli sokoro bagasimekire kibando kingende ge bagutuberaniga kwa mayama. At the end of the day things were almost communal. This time like us to ikire na boko bera abu kwetenchara your cousin ya usambe nyama mwinabu and you can do nothing. It's a way of life and we are accepting that. So again tutora kolem na basai at the end of the day o wote ku premu na bana ba haye bweka gose o premu na bana ba minusi na webuli bawo. Don't waste resources asenjera etaganeri and seek help. Otherwise, you don't take some decisions you cannot advise your mundo mwana ya chete university na tikaenda kole course ye noroche the reception is bad or something like kama na aregusi and we need to be aware of that. But you are ready to seek my the knowledge is power. That is the nini school yaito erimu nguvu. On the ones you're ready to seek knowledge, like is capably coming up very powerful. There is a choice, and the choices are what the consequences. Whatever you choose to do, it's up to you as a person. Even at the end of the day, whether dead or alive, you will be charged personally. So whatever you pick today, you must be responsible unto it. So tikatokole bintu bire bya muhimu na ande tikatutwara abantu bagutongoza enjirerengia politically tikatutwara abantu baranya kuri vice these policies batubekere policies chingia tutware generation ira na save aside tebe chako bnyaito. We are blaming each other, but we forget to blame the government and the investors who are investing against our lives. We are trying to escape Wake University when you're go to crap. There are a lot of business plans to be done. But why do they choose it? Because the risk is very minimal. So we need to be like into mundo ya utobekere crap and we are students, we are ntuwa the salary. We don't tomenya the same fuko ya waibori we are wishers na bantu bande bai. Why should somebody choose acha kubeke crap abukabwa tabana nere? No. It's because of the risk economically and in business rules it allows. So let's make decisions chirato konyo na basai na ande tikatue manye before utaraji ku koragento kende gions. It starts with you. Thank you.
Biamono sama so gukorokia na nkwenda ke ya mwega urwengana ya yo mweri.
Asante sana. So again tonte takoteba neke as my last words that your mental health is your personal responsibility and self-care is the best health care. Like umete mbuya abantu bairigereri umuntu oyejali singine mbuya oyende siko oenjoy ne family yao and you just do those things that are for your good. Oyejali as a person esengenjo the times you are living in are hard times and mbuya it's good to look after yourself. And ende tiobwate mechando une ya mangana mental health mbuya okole bintu bitokoroka positive mechanisms like wake tizi koragera buyam gukora ibintu buna yoga and swimming ibintu bigoko rejuvenate. So mental health is the best health care. Yeah.
Mbia mono sana. Mbia mono kigima. Murigire bwensoko ngaitenga kwanyare kobago konyora obasemia kurwa asabasaya bubabire modikai na boigo sam obanyare ko baba gusanga amo 9 na wikiraga butimbwati kende nda mente ngaitenga abasaya baiga banyare ko baba ko bogo sesene na wego barobo semi gocha sore egento gokora nkire kikega no kubwati ari banyare ko bago tebya erindo nyako bago komenya obomenyo bya nakuganiro gende gutwara oburigerero bya na boigo omubasomya gendra kwego kyane merobiri ite kubwati gaiga Ensoko TV oboroso womugusibu na botambe ngoro kwa Linet Nyambane.
Eye Ensoko TV, oboroso bw'umuguzi.